Okay, so I think I've worked out a little way of making a pouch with a wider base for perhaps storing leftover mushrooms in the fridge or strawberries out of their plastic packets, things like that. So let's give it a go. This one's made out of a large round circle. You can make them out of a square, which is what I'm going to show you now. So take a square and turn it over so it's wrong side up. Okay, and the first thing you do is fold it corner to corner, and then what you want to do is fold these two open corners back on themselves, but not all the way. You want about an inch to 2.5 centimeters on this left hand edge. So you fold one back and then turn over, fold the other one back on itself. Now that's going to create your base. Okay, so that part there is going to open up and create the base of your bowl. And then it's a case of carrying on as before, really, to make a pouch. Fold one side over, fold the other side over, and then you can either tuck one into the other. Okay. But another way of keeping it secure is to fold these flaps down and over the bottom. I'll show you that in a moment. So if you open up your base and you flip it round, pop your hand inside, you will have a nice wide base at the bottom. Like I said, perfect for those leftover mushrooms. Okay, you can either keep that open at the top, and if you're going to keep it open at the top, I would suggest that what you actually do is fold these two edges down and tuck them underneath to keep it securely in place. Do this side. Okay, give it a good crease. There's your little open bowl. Or what you can do is you can leave them up, pop your things inside, and as you would normally secure a little pouch, just roll them down and secure. Little fridge pot.